Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone in this meeting doing well. Thank you for giving your time and effort to attend our meeting. As the chairperson of the club, I would like to formally call this meeting to order. The main purpose of today's meeting is to discuss the proposal for our upcoming trip, including its objective, possible time for the trip, how long is the trip, and suitable budget for the trip. I hope everyone get ready to present your opinion. Your opinion and suggestions are highly valued, and I encourage everyone to contribute during this discussion. Okay, so now who will start to present first?
I will go start first, Mr. President.
Okay, thank you, Aspa. Proceed your
Then
presentation.
I will share my suggestion country for you guys. Wait, okay, you guys can see.
Yeah, I can see, Aspa. You can proceed your presentation.
Okay, Mr. President. This is my suggestion country for our trip. Um, I choose Switzerland because Switzerland is a small and beautiful country located in the heart of Central Europe. This country is very famous for its mountain, lakes, clean environment, and if you guys want to know, this country have good chocolate, cheese, and very high quality of life. For budgeting to this country, I think flight ticket and hotel we can have sponsor from other company. It is because, as you guys know, when we go to this country, this is very expensive. It is because ticket only, we must have around 2,149 ringgit. But um, if we booking the ticket yearly, maybe we can get a price more cheaper. Why I choose this country? Because um, Switzerland have a beautiful nature such as mountain, lakes, green valley, and then after that, this country is very clean and very safe, as we know lah. Um, this country also have excellent public transport, and then for our trip, I think this country is very excellent because they have perfect for adventure, sightseeing, and winter activity. Um, when we arrive there, we can do some activity like cable car plus mountain view. Then we also mm, can doing a boat cruise in Lake Zurich or Lake Lucerne. Uh, we also can do adventure activities like paragliding, hiking, and snow activity. I think that's all from me, Mr. President. If you guys have others suggestion country, you guys can share.
Okay, thank you, Aspa. But sorry, may I ask you, uh, how long our trip will be going on?
Um, for my suggestion, Mr. President, because this is a very expensive country, so I think we should stay there around 1 week. or 5 day and 4 night.
Okay. Sounds good.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay,
President.
next person who will share your ideas for our trip.
Hey, Mr. President.
Okay, thank you, Iskandar.
Thank you, Asfar and Mr. President. Wait, You guys can see?
Okay, we can see Iskandar.
Okay. Okay, for our field trip is, I've decided we're going to New Zealand. Okay. What about New Zealand? New Zealand is a popular destination because it offers some of the most breathtaking natural scenery in world, including mountain, beach, forest, and glacier that attract visitors who love nature and adventure. The country is also famous for exciting activities such as buggy, jumping, skydiving, and hiking, which make it perfect for thrill seeker. New Zealand also unique wildlife such as the kiwi bird and its strong commitment to environmental protection also draw many tourists who appreciate clean and well-preserved natural surroundings. Why I choose New Zealand for our field trip? We propose New Zealand as our field trip destination because it offers a combination of natural environment and scientific learning opportunities. The country has gentleman park, conservation centers, and cultural heritage sites that can enhance our understanding of environmental science and community studies. So this is the scenic overlook. New Zealand offers beautiful scenic overlook with views of mountain, lakes, and coastline. This location allows students to appreciate nature while observing the natural environment. Visiting scenic overlook also helps students uh, relax and stay engaged and develop a deeper appreciation for the natural beauty of New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand also is a home to remarkable geological marvel formed by tectonic activity, volcanism, and glaciation. These features provide valuable insight into Earth dynamic process. For cultural significance, New Zealand has strong cultural significance, especially through Maori tradition and heritage. Cultural site help students understand the value, history, and identity of the local communities. By visiting this place, student gains indigenous pleasure, indigenous culture, and learn the importance of preserving cultural heritage. Okay, this is our budget to New Zealand. Budget for flight, we take for 3,000 per student. For accommodation, we take for 1,200. For meals, maybe for 600. For local transport, for 900, and entrance fee for 800. For estimate budget per student is 6,500 per 15 student. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Iskandar. But same question like I asked Aspa, how long our trip will be going on? Because I don't see yourself showed how long our trip.
Or maybe for our trip, we take for 6 day or 5 day per week. Thank you.
Okay. Alright, thank you, Iskandar, for your ideas. Next.
Assalamualaikum Mr. President. Next, I will be the one who
Waalaikumsalam.
will be presenting my idea to you.
Okay, Syamel, proceed.
So can you guys see what I'm sharing right now to you guys?
Yeah, we can see Shamel.
Okay, for our second field trip, firstly I will tell you about our objective. Our objective is New Zealand. Secondly, we want to experience or learn the culture reside in Europe, such as New Zealand and New Zealand. Next, today what would I love to talk in my suggestion? The first one is destination. Second one is activity. Third one is budget. And lastly, duration and when to do it. Destination. I choose Switzerland. Why I choose Switzerland? Switzerland is indeed one of the most attractive countries in Europe, famous for its natural beauty, high standard of living, and rich culture and history. Here are the interesting things about Switzerland that many people want to visit or live there. First one is activity. They can do many activity in Switzerland, so that's why I suggest we should go there for our field trip. The first activity is hiking, as one of our members have said, that Aspa, who also have the same idea as me, we have the same activity because these activities are the most famous one in Switzerland. That we have hiking, cruise boat, and cable car. For the budget, Aspa have said for the flight ticket, it will estimate for one people around 2,200 ringgit. So after I do my calculation, we can bring around 10 to 15 people max. Why I tell this? Because this also have include hotel, food, flight ticket, and other activity expenses. But for personal expenses are not included in this budget, because if you want to buy souvenir, you have to use your own money. Next is duration and when to have it. I think our trip will take around 1 week because I have calculate the day from our going to Switzerland and going back to Selangor. We will take around 1 week, and the day we will have 5 days in Switzerland to experience the culture and the adventures there. So when to have it? I think we should do it on our semester breaks because the other class member can relieve their stress, and also they can enjoy this field trip as much as we can before going to the next semester. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Shamel, for your good present. Every information that we want to know, you mention it. Okay, thank you, Shamel. I appreciate it. So, welcome. Next one, Al. Sorry, Al, I can't hear you. I still cannot hear you.
Hello.
Okay, I can hear you now.
So, uh, wait. I share my slide first, and then where is it? All right. Do you guys see?
Okay, we can see, Al.
All right. So, the first place I choose is New Zealand, same like Iskandar. So basically, my place not we call it not far from like us Iskandar tell you guys just now. So let me start first. So I will tell you guys about the history, major cities, culture, economy, and natural wonder. Also, lastly, the budget. So first thing first, we need to know about New Zealand, which is New Zealand is a peaceful country. Um, so the capital for New Zealand is Wellington, but Auckland is the largest and busiest cities in New Zealand. So just for your information, in New Zealand, they use English and Maori for spoken. So we get more in history. So like I said, they use spoken in English and Maoris. So Maoris is people that arrived in New Zealand over 700 years ago. So the country is actually became a British colony in 1840. So it become independent in 1947. So actually, both Maori and European culture make their country or shape their country's identity. So next, the major city is Auckland. Like I said before, they having a mature life and neighbors. So let's move to the next. So the culture is Maori. Uh, why I choose New Zealand? Because we go there, we can know about their culture and tradition, how their rich culture mix of Maori and European tradition, also how Maori culture includes their language, music, tattoos, and storytelling about their uh, culture. So next, we need to focus on their economy and tourism also. Why I say like that? Because of we as a visitor, we need to having fun also if we go somewhere. So in New Zealand, actually their economy depends on agriculture, tourism and film productions. So if we go there, we can having fun also. Yeah. So the last one is nature and animals. So in New Zealand, we know they have a unique wildlife and beautiful scenery. Many animals and plants cannot be found in other countries, but can found in New Zealand. Yeah. So, oh, I'm sorry. The last one is budget. So during we having it in New Zealand, the budget I tell up in 5 days. So per student can reach up to 6,000 until 8,000. So the flight actually can be around the 3,000. So the accommodation for 1,200. Also the meal 600, local transport 900, and entrance fee 800. So the last one, total per student can reach up to 6,000 until 8,000. Depends on the how the uh person spend on their budget lah. So that's all from me. So is it good for us to go there, Mr. President?
Okay. Thank you, Al. That's question. I think we will discuss together. So we will know where we will go to go, because after we discuss and then we decide. Okay, so I think it's time to discuss. Uh, Let me give my opinion first. After I see all of you guys' idea, I think I will go to Switzerland. It is because Switzerland have a biggest waterfall in Europe, such as Matterhorn Mountain. It also have many activities interesting we can do, and I think it's more cheaper than New Zealand. So how about you guys?
Um, I very agree with your opinion, Mr. President, because guys, as we know, many people want to go Switzerland. Yes, maybe they have a highest cost to go there, but for me, it is very worth it for us. Like I said, um, for ticket and hotel, we can have from sponsor from company, so we can cut our budget from there. And then I think even the country is very expensive cost when we go there. The culture um, not harmful to us.
I want at a later some point. I agree with Mr. President and Aspar. First of all, the reason I agree with them is like Mr. President say, Mr. Adam say, we have a cheaper cheaper trip to go there because the flight ticket to New Zealand and Switzerland, they have quite a big difference in there, around 800 somethings. Because when we want to go to Switzerland, the flight ticket only costs us around 2,200, while to New Zealand, as Mr. Imran and Mr. Iskandar said, it costs around for us around 3,000. So I think Switzerland will be the most suitable because we can cut a lot of our budget from there by using by ask for some sponsor from other companies like Mr. Asfar say. Also, we can ask from our uh, we can ask from UKM to provide some sponsorship to us because UKM also have some they will give us some money or some sponsorship to give to us because we are student from UKM. So we can cut a lot of budget ni there. Furthermore, Switzerland also have many language we can use because if you want to hear other language, you can go to Switzerland. This is why Switzerland has 4 official languages. First one is German, second one is French, third one is Italian, and the last one is Romansh. So, compared to New Zealand, Switzerland have more language that we can listen to it, and maybe we can learn from that. So, how do you guys think about my idea on our discussion?
Sound interesting, Shamel. So how about Al? Are you agree with our opinion or you have other opinion?
Nah, actually, I'm feeling sad because of Mr. President didn't choose my place and Iskandar place. But it's okay. Actually, I agree with you all because actually my we call it budget actually a bit higher lah. So I hope Aspa can find their sponsorship so that we can go for free. So also for Shamel's idea, actually in Malaysia also having a lot of culture and language, but you also didn't know how to speak in Chinese. So actually that things quite quite hard to study their language. So actually, I'm okay with the Switzerland. So up to you guys. I'm still having fun if I'm go with you guys. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Al. So how about Iskandar? Are you agree with our opinion?
Yes, I agree with all of your opinion, and I just follow a majority. Let's go New
Okay.
Zealand. Let's go Switzerland.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. So after we discuss, so now we all decide we want to go Switzerland. Okay, so our trip will go to Switzerland. The date we can decide after this. Okay, before we end this meeting, I would like to thanks all members for their active participation, valuable feedback, and constructive suggestion throughout today's discussion. Okay, thank you guys for your effort and giving your time. That's all for me, your chairperson. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, Mr. President.